Today, I'm gonna show you the secret to making motion graphics go viral in After Effects using 3D. And this generated over 100,000 views for me on Instagram. The technique I use to develop my 3D in my edits is something you'll see in this video. And for this, I will be using the Element 3D plugin by Video Coupler to create the 3D. Now, on my PC, let's go to the Sketchfab website to download the 3D model. I will search here, Game Boy, check the downloadable box. I'm gonna download the same 3D model that I used in my edit and click on download 3D model. Download the first one in .fpx format. Once downloaded, I will extract it, then click on the source folder, and we need to go to our website to convert FBX to OBJ to be able to place it in the element. I'm using the Expose website to do this. When converting, you will replace the FBX file with the OBJ file. Now, let's open After Effects and edit a solid layer. Let's add the Element 3D plugin to the layer. Click on Scene Setup and let's import the OBJ file. I'm gonna reduce the size of the 3D model and then we'll edit its texture. Click on the white ball and we'll look for the texture by clicking diffusing. And I'm gonna select the texture that comes with 3D file I downloaded. I will edit the second texture for the buttons as well. Okay, we're finished. Click OK. Now in Element 3D, open the group 1 and create a new group. Next, we'll create a new shape layer. Right-click on the shape layer and click on Pre-compose, then click OK. Let's check the box to leave the 3D shape. I'm gonna activate 2 views to better see the 3D, and I will adjust the shape layer to fit the Game Boy screen size. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the shape layer comp and I'm going to create a cool scenes for the Game Boy screen. After you are finished, go back to the main comp and connect the screen parent link to the new object. Now the screen is connected to the movement of the 3D model. So I'm gonna to create the motion animation using the new object, and I will set the keyframe for position, Y rotation, and Z rotation. As you can see in my screen, I'm moving it up using the position key and rotating it towards the center of the screen. I'm gonna to select all the keyframe and press F9, and I'm gonna to create a graph using script flow, but you can animate it using the graphic editor in After Effects. This is how the animation turned out. I'm just going to edit a solid white background. In this part, the shape layers get bugged in background, so I will just cut out the bugged part, or you can use mask to hide it. Okay, now I'm gonna improve the 3D lighting to make it look more like the background. Click on Element Solid and then Render Settings, then Ambient Occlusion, activate AO and set it to Ray Traced. Click on Lighting, Additional Lighting, and increase the brightness. And you can also adjust the lighting rotation. And that was the final scenes of the first part. Okay, now I'm gonna create the scenes with several Game Boys in the background. Duplicate the solid delay of the element. After duplicating the layer, I'm gonna rename it to identify element 1 and element 2. Let's click on the group 1, then click in particle loop, multi-object and activate it. Click on particle replicator and increase the Z position. Then in the particle count, select 9, go back to the move object and click to animate the rotation handle and also the scatter mode. And in this part, I just animated the random rotation and the move particle animation to make the 3D models fly. Then I went back and increased the Z position and also decreased the size of the Game Boys. And that's how the final part of the 3D ended. If you have watched this far, I will provide the project file for the animation I made in the introduction of this video. You will use the password 321 to extract the file. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials and follow me on Instagram. Bye.